cool. Let's customize there. Okay guys, this is what you need to do. First, you go here, and then place your screen recording, then press this, then there.
Nakadalawang klase na sila.
Hold this,
Basta kung alam sa nangyayari.
and then there we go. You now have your own, without screen tap, front camera, sound recording, video resolution, high or low can be. About screen recording. Screen recording will automatically end when the maximum size of 5 GB is reached, and the recording will be saved. 2. The screen recording process will end and the recording will be saved when you turn off the screen. Make a call, power off the phone, or perform other actions. Anyways guys, bye!